Good morning, children. Today in chapter 4 division, we will solve division of 4-digit numbers by a 1-digit number. Division without remainder. Divide and find the quotient. One example we will do. 4272 divided by 6. First step, arrange the numbers. 4272 divided by 6. Here 4272 is dividend and 6 is divisor. 4272 is dividend and 6 is divisor. Next step, you will begin from left, that is with thousands. 6 ones are 6. Since 6 ones are more than 4, so we will take 6 zeros are 0. Write 0 in thousands place of the quotient and write 0 below 4. Subtract 0 from 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. Next step, bring down 2. And divide 42 by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42. So write 7 in the hundreds place of the quotient and write 42 below 42. Now subtract 42 from 42. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Next step, bring down 7 and divide it by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Since 6 twos are more than 7, so we will take 6 ones are 6. Write 1 in the tens place of the quotient and write 6 below 7. Subtract 6 from 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. The next step, bring down 2 and divide 12 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So write 2 in the ones place of the quotient and 12 below 12. Now subtract 12 from 12. We get the answer. 12 minus 12 is 0. So here the quotient is 712 and the remainder is 0. So the quotient is 712 and the remainder is 0. So we can write like 4272 divided by 6. Dividend divided by divisor is equal to the answer quotient, that is 712. In the same manner, in exercise 4B, question A, divide and find the quotient. You have to solve all the given questions. Next, find the quotient and the remainder. Also check your answer. This we will do division with remainder. Example, 7326 divided by 4. The first step, arrange the numbers. Here the dividend is 7326 and the divisor is 4. Dividend is 7326 and the divisor is 4. Now next step, we begin from left, that is with thousands. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Since 4 twos are more than 7, so we will take 4 ones are 4. So write 1 in the thousands place of the quotient and write 4 below 7. Now subtract 4 from 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. Next step, bring down 3. Now divide 33 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36. Since 4 nines are more than 33, so we will take 4 eights are 32. Write 8 in the hundreds place of the quotient and 32 below 33. Now subtract 32 from 33. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. The answer is 1. Next step, bring down 2 and divide it by 4. 12 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Write 3 in the tens place of the quotient and write 12 below 12. Now subtract 12 minus 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Next step, bring down 6 and divide it by 4. 6 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Since 4 twos are more than 6, we will take 4 ones are 4. So write 1 in the ones place of the quotient and write 4 below 6. Now subtract 4 from 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So here the remainder is 2 and the quotient is 1831. Here the quotient is 1831 and the remainder is 2. These are the steps of division. Now, how do we check? We use the relationship to check the division. Quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder. Is equal to dividend. Here the quotient is 1831 multiply by divisor here is 4 plus remainder here is 2. So 1831 multiply by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 4 eights are 32 plus 1 33, 4 ones are 4 plus 3 7. 7,324 plus 2. 7,324 plus 2. So this will become 6, 2, 3, 7. 7,326 is the dividend. 7,326 is equal to the dividend. It means your solution is correct. In the same manner, solve all the questions given in the exercise 4B question B. Find the quotient and the remainder and also check your answer.